Ever thought about how your cooking could be transformed with fresh herbs right from your garden? Welcome to the concept of a culinary herb garden, a natural palette of flavors at your fingertips. These gardens not only spruce up your dishes, but also offer a multitude of health benefits. Imagine the lush basil, aromatic rosemary, and fiery chili peppers, all grown by you, for you. The freshness is unparalleled, the flavors are vibrant. Imagine the satisfaction of plucking fresh herbs right when you need them. It's a culinary game changer. Starting your own culinary herb garden is easier than you think. The journey begins with choosing herbs that align with your cooking style. Love Italian? Try basil or oregano. Next, select suitable pots or planters. Remember, good drainage is key. Finally, find a sunny spot. Most herbs love 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. It's all about creating an environment where your herbs can thrive. With a little planning, you can set the foundation for a thriving herb garden. Once you've planted your herbs, they need some TLC to flourish. Watering is crucial. Most herbs like a good soak, but don't enjoy sitting in water. Pruning encourages bushier growth. Don't be afraid to give them a good trim now and then. And don't forget pest control. Natural methods are often best. Remember, regular care isn't just a chore. It's a labor of love. It ensures your herbs are healthy, vibrant, and ready to add flavor to your dishes whenever you need them. Your herbs are grown and ready, but how do you harvest and use them? Snip them gently at the stem, encouraging further growth. Toss them into salads, mix into pasta, or simmer in soups. Fresh herbs from your garden can take your cooking to a whole new level. Creating a culinary herb garden is a rewarding experience. From getting started to caring and harvesting your homegrown herbs, each step brings you closer to a kitchen bursting with flavor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!